If you're planning a trip or cruise to St Croix and wondering how to make the most of a short time there, then you're in the right place. I'm Beth, and as a producer and director of theater and film for over 2 decades, I've traveled extensively with business and with family. And now my husband and I are here to help you prepare for adventures of your own. Recently, we spent a day in St Croix on an Eastern Caribbean cruise, and we'd like you to tag along. This morning we've got our towels and snacks and are ready to disembark. We don't have to be back on the ship until 5 o'clock. So that gives us most of the day to explore. Welcome to St Croix. Let's go. This is the largest U.S. Virgin Island. It's typically windy here in Frederiksted, but with temperatures in the 80s. We're just leaving the pier and look, a sea turtle is here to greet us. Columbus named this place Santa Cruz, but the French later translated it St Croix. In English, it means Holy Cross. Before we see anything on the island, we hear music. And here are local musicians performing. This free-roaming chick is really into it. Now this is a different sound. Our ship's horn. We're not sure if they're testing it or having a horn battle with the ship next to ours. We booked a Jetcar with this company about a month before our cruise. They had really good reviews online and are known for delivering the thrill of a jet ski with the elegance of a sports car. Josh just couldn't pass that up. Plus, they offer this, a drone picture and video package. Totally worth it. After climbing in and getting instructions, we're on our way.
It's pretty cool. I know, me too. There we go.
Now we're leaving the no-wake zone.
Here we go. Yeah. Let's see what we can do.
It's 4-stroke engine, has 4 cylinders, and tops out at 60 miles an hour.
Let's go. Woo! All right, now I can't see it all.
Thankfully, as long as we're going opposite the cruise ship, there aren't many obstacles out here. It seems to handle amazingly well. Yeah, stop. The speedometer works great. We wish the wipers did. But regardless, racing by our cruise ship is an experience like no other. Now, if I'm being completely honest here, Josh driving this aggressively is more fun for him than for me. Alright, let me drive.
Alright, you do it.
Just a word to the wise. Hold on to your hats.
I need to slow down, I sped up.
I'll just drive one-handed, so it doesn't happen again. Okay, no, I need 2 hands.
What do you think?
It's pretty cool, but I want to go somewhere.
Okay.
That is one thing I would change. They make you stay between 2 buoys, not far from the pier. If I can't really go anywhere, I just want to do this.
I don't even want to
This makes me so happy. I'm not sure why.
How many are you gonna do?
Now that I got my fill, Josh is doing some donuts of his own before steering us back to shore.
Wow, you're crazy, man.
That's fun.
God, you enjoyed that. It was really cool. It's just a little choppy for me.
Alright, you got it?
Hey.
Quite a rush, man. Quite a rush. Almost too much for her.
Yeah. Next, in the same area, we're getting in some snorkeling. With gear we bought on Amazon before the trip. This is a top spot, so where are all the fish? Josh is going in closer to our ship and spotting more signs of life, like starfish and schools of fish, before finding clearer water and resurfacing. After drying off, we're shopping and sightseeing. Hurricane Erin just passed by here, so some places are still boarded up, with sandbags and everything. I love the feel of this open air market, and just seeing the craftsmanship of the local artists. This is the Freedom Statue, honoring the freeing of slaves here in the 1800s. And this is the Eliza James McBean Clock Tower, named for a woman who helped preserve the island's culture. Of course, we have to browse the stalls of the vendors by the pier. There are so many handmade items to choose from. Now, it's time to head back to our ship, but not without getting one last look. We're already starting to think about the next island on our itinerary. But that's another story. If you enjoyed traveling with us, be sure to like, subscribe, and share your questions or comments below. Also, if you're ready for more, be sure to check out one of these videos. This is Beth with Tagalong, encouraging you to have an adventure all your own.